Today we're going to walk you through how to start adding your initial card into Libby. So this is after you have downloaded and installed the app onto your device. This is the screen that will come up when you open it. Do you have a library card is the first question. If you do not yet, you can get with the Instant Card program, but today we're going to be talking about if you already have one. So we're going to click yes. And you want to do search for a library. Or you can do guess my library. I'm going to do search for a library. And we're going to do the Oil City Library as the name. And we'll come up under Oil Creek Library District. That's the library district we share all of our Overdrive branches with. So you click on that or select it. And this takes you to the screen where you need to sign into your account. This is how you start your library card. So you click on the library name, Oil City Library, and you put the library card number in, type it in, click sign in. And there is your card. It is added. You can rename this. So you can rename this to Oil City if you have cards at multiple libraries within the district. Then click next and it will take you to our collection and you can start checking out from there.